Let's make the most flavorful broccolini in the Ninja Crispi Air Fryer. I'm going to show you the best settings and spices for the ultimate healthy side dish. Broccolini is sweeter and milder than broccoli with tender and fully edible stems. Even the flowers are edible, so nothing goes to waste. First, you'll place your broccolini right into the Ninja Crispi Air Fryer basket. Make sure it's spread out so it cooks evenly. Next, you'll drizzle with a little olive oil, just enough to lightly coat each piece so it crisps up beautifully. Now sprinkle with kosher salt. This helps bring out the natural sweetness of the broccolini. Add some freshly cracked black pepper for a little warmth and depth of flavor. Now give everything a good toss so the seasoning is evenly distributed. And fun fact, broccolini contains a powerful antioxidant called sulforaphane, which helps neutralize toxins in the body and reduce inflammation. Place the power pot on and cook on the bake setting for 7 minutes. Once it's done, you have perfectly crispy edges, tender stems, and a vibrant green color. Transfer the broccolini to a plate. It already smells incredible at this point. Now, options for toppings would be a little butter, a squeeze of lemon juice, or freshly grated parmesan cheese for a salty, savory boost. Today, I'm opting for the parmesan. Now for the taste test. That's absolutely delicious. It's crunchy, slightly sweet, and so satisfying. It is the ultimate side dish. I hope you enjoyed this delicious broccolini recipe. It's such an easy way to add a healthy side dish to your weekly meals. And if you love delicious, healthy recipes that make you feel good from the inside out, be sure to leave a comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. And if you'd like to watch more, click here for another video. Until next time, thanks for watching.